In front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on System. Then select Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, hit Text Correction and scroll down a tiny bit to use this switcher next to Autocorrection. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!